Guys, today I'm going to show you my problem was I have 2005 Cadillac Escalade with 130,000 kilometers running. So far so good, but since last 2 weeks or 3 I got a problem with the gas tank. When I go to gas pump and filling up the tank while it was still empty, the gas boy filling up the tank for after initial 10 to 15 seconds it cut off, and takes so much time to fill the gas, and this is so annoying. So I decided to track down what's the problem is. Reading in the news forum and Google in the internet, I found out the cheapest way to start was to change the ventilation valve, canister ventilation valve. I will show you which one is it. This is the one which I firstly replace. I bought this from the dealer, or you can buy it online. Part number was I don't see the part number clearly here. It's written there. BGF something. BGF. Yeah, there you go. AGF30. The guys on the forum said maybe this one that stuck close, so that when you're filling the tank, the same amount of air volume must escape from the tank, and it's normally goes to this tank through this hose connection first, and then vented out the air. Once the fuel vapor captured by the charcoal inside this box, and the fresh air vented out from this valve. It has a solenoid valve. It has electrical connector here, connection. When I replaced this, it didn't fix. Still I had difficulty filling up the gas tank. So I decided to look at this upstream of this part is going to this hose, connected by a connection hose, and I decided to look this vapor canister, and I found that this charcoal inside is torn apart. The separator is torn apart, so the content of this box is coming out, and it filling up the hose going into the gas tank, which then clog the hose. Therefore the air that has to escape from the tank when you're filling up the gas, it didn't happen. So build up pressure inside the tank, and it trigger the nozzle of the gas pump to cut off the flow of the fuel as the mechanism to prevent overfill. When I replace this, and after replacing that, it solved the problem. Now I can filling the gas with the fastest rate of the gas pump nozzle as possible. Thank you. Hopefully you fix yours. Bye.